So I schlepped all that across state lines. Actually held out pretty good considering. That's where I be. Worked out pretty well. Demarest pad, Demarest fellow. This is a Kelty Lightyear 45 ultralight brown sleeping bag. And then I have the Cool Max liner. Keeps the bag clean and also gives you extra warmth. So as you can see, it's 48 degrees and raining here in closest town is Plattsburgh, New York to this campsite. That holds up pretty well. It's the MSR Hubba Hubba. No joke, that's actually what it's called. The bugs haven't been too bad actually because of the near frost temperatures we had the night before. Fortunately, I wasn't here to experience the temperature drop, thank goodness. So here's all the gear, my biking helmet, quick drying pants, bike shorts. I hate bike shorts, but these actually work pretty good when I wear them underneath this because of the little padding they got here. Got the chamois. And these two panniers, I stuffed everything inside here. Tent, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, clothes, food, an Nalgene bottle, and I've got myself a bike handlebar bag. Actually worked out pretty well. Helps keep some of the contents on the front handlebar and also stabilizes it. Of course, my connection to the world. I'm actually still able to get a cell signal out here, which is good, so I'm able to use the Edge network to check email and things like that. This is my stove. It's actually pretty cool. It's a insulated water heater type thingy. It heats up water pretty good due to this insulation in the design. Fuel canister connects at the bottom, and then I just eat the freeze-dried packs of gourmet meals. These little stuff sacks come in handy for organizing things. Got some clothes in here. And it's a little organizer. Got my sunglasses in here. Some change, looks like. Well, this thing I was looking for forever is the titanium spork. I thought I lost it. So I was looking for an hour and a half, digging through all my crap at home looking for it. I finally found it. Actually really well. Actually really well. Headphones. A little flashlight. Comes in handy. I was gonna chop or cut up some firewood that they had out there, but it started to rain. Should have brought an axe, but that would have been more weight. So instead, I just have to settle for my little. This is the. It works pretty good. It's not too bad. It's the Emerson CQC10. It's got the partial serration here and then the straight edge. That's about it. Oh yeah, it's the Surefire E1E with the diffuser over it with the head to kind of even out the beam. I got the bulk of the gear. Yeah, I got the 2 panniers here. That and then this handlebar bag in the front. And I had the sleeping bag or the air mattress and the tent poles rolled up and stuffed into one of the stuff sacks and attached to the top of the rack in the back. There you have it, my accommodations for the 3-night stay.